He's not shown his face. Has so many. How many followers do you have in the show? 10 million.
10 million.
I mean, like seriously, all these hot girls and 10 million. Great. Okay.
Big Boss.
Definitely. I'll definitely do it.
उनको भी देखना चाहिए जो कॉलेज कर चुके हैं, उनको भी देखना चाहिए, उनके पेरेंट्स को भी देखना चाहिए. My mom says because she's a big boss fan, तो only for her, but otherwise me I would not.
मतलब मैं स्वीटली करता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं कि चल उठक बैठक कर, ऐसा नहीं. मैं बहुत. थैंक यू. आप भी.
Thank you for having us.
I'm good.
I'm very well.
बहुत बढ़िया हम सब. आप कैसे हैं? नहीं.
Yes. I think acting के field में आना is औकात से ज़्यादा, because that is something you don't think it casually or you don't like कि अच्छा चलो actor बन जाते हैं, acting करते हैं. नहीं, if you want to be an actor, I feel इसमें औकात से ज़्यादा आ ही जाता है. So yeah.
Very true, yeah. Come on, we are doing something which we always dreamt of, and getting paid for it, it's a fun thing. But a lot of hard work, right? Yeah, Vihan?
I feel कि हर कोई अपनी लाइफ में औकात से ज़्यादा ही करना चाहता है. I think those are our dreams we want to pursue. और I hope कि हम सबका ही ड्रीम वही होता है कि हम कुछ करके दिखाएं यार, जो हमारे लिए इजीली रीचेबल नहीं है, जो हमारी औकात से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. और जैसे इन दोनों ने कहा कि ऑब्वियसली एक्टिंग एज अ जॉब ओनली यू हैव टू पर्स, क्योंकि आपका हर एक चीज़ मैटर करता है. द वे यू लुक, द वे यू परफॉर्म. तो आपको अपने फिजिक पे भी औकात से ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, अपने क्राफ्ट पे भी औकात से ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. सो आई थिंक सब कुछ एकदम टॉप पे होना चाहिए. सो या
शो आप जब देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा. सो इट्स अ जर्नी अबाउट 5-6 डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स, एंड वो अपनी लाइफ में कैसे आगे बढ़ते हैं, कैसे वो औकात से ज़्यादा ऐसी चीज़ें करते हैं जो उन्होंने कभी भी खुद सोची नहीं होती है. You'll find characters that are very relatable, but at the same time they are very different from each other. So yeah.
The show is all about, it's a very serious topic which you'll get to know if you watch the show, which is on Freshman Originals. And so yeah, there are 5, 6 of us, and each character is having their own journey, and yeah, it's a college-based show.
Yeah, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था? आई फील कि जैसे ये लोग ने बोल दिया ऑलरेडी कि सबकी अपनी अपनी कहानी, अपनी अपनी जर्नी है. हर कोई एक डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी से आ रहा है इन द शो, और हर कोई कुछ अचीव करना चाहता है. और आई फील सब कुछ बहुत रिलेटेबल है. जैसे जो रेशव का कैरेक्टर है, आदर्श का कैरेक्टर है, उसका कैरेक्टर भी बहुत रिलेटेबल है, इनका कैरेक्टर भी बहुत रिलेटेबल है. तो आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपका अपना स्ट्रगल भी हम में से किसी एक में दिखेगा. आपको लगेगा शिट हाँ ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, मैंने भी इससे गो थ्रू किया है. सो आई थिंक रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा है. और साथ में क्योंकि या जैसे जो मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत चुप रहता है, बहुत शांत रहता है, लेकिन अंदर से कुछ और है, बाहर से कुछ और है.
गाड़ी बहुत पंगे लेती है इसके.
जैसे जो लोग एकदम आउटगोइंग होंगे वो इनसे कनेक्ट करेंगे. थैंक्स टू बोथ ऑफ देम शो में एंटरटेनमेंट की बिल्कुल कमी नहीं है. सो या
So I'm playing Tanishka, and she is the Pooh from K3G, but she's a very Gen Z character. She has her own app that's Flutterfly, and she has her own group जिनको वो minions बुलाती है and उनसे सारे काम करवाती है. And she's ambitious, she's very career-wise driven, and I feel she likes controlling things around her, controlling people around her, controlling environment around her. She is very good at judging people. She can tell you ये ऐसा है वो वैसा है बस एक look से. And she has a little bit of backstory that is not explored yet, but we'll come to that at a different point. And because of that, she has different layers to her personality. When you look at her, you'll be like, you won't find her predictable, by the way. You'll be like, ये अभी कुछ बोलती है, ये तब कुछ बोलती है, ये ऐसे भी है, ये वैसे भी है. She has different layers. I feel she's like an onion. The more you peel, the more Onion, yes, onion. The more you peel, the more you'll come to know about her. That is what Tanishka is.
I also feel about Tanishka, जैसे उसने बोला, she's a poo from K3G, but also she has this very strong sense of being. जैसे if you watch the show, in the first or second episode, she tells Mishka कि being someone's girlfriend is not your identity. You know, you have to be something on your own, which I really feel ki is a very strong point coming from her. Apart from that, about my character, I am a very introvert. एक इंसान जो चाहता है कि भाई कोई मुझसे बात ना करे और मैं किसी से बात ना करूं, बस अपना काम करूं, या अपना काम करूं, अपने काम पे फोकस करूं, और अगर कोई भी मेरे काम के बीच में आता है तो मुझे बहुत ही लगता है कि भाई तुझे क्या लेना देना है. सो आई एम दैट ड्रिवन पर्सन. एंड आई फील काफ़ी सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो मस्ती नहीं करना चाहते, मजाक नहीं करना चाहते. इट्स जस्ट अ पर्सनैलिटी. सो या
About Gargi, okay, she is this fun-loving girl who is a social media influencer, and yeah, what else? She's behind this guy called Shadow. She wants to reveal ki Shadow kaun hai Shadow, because of course the guy who's wearing a mask has not shown his face, has so many. How many followers you have in the show? 10 million.
10 million.
I mean, like, seriously? All these hot girls and 10 million? Great. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it.
ये तो full इसको देख के गार्गी को लिखा गया है.
Yeah, they told me to play yourself. So yeah, Gargi is pretty much not completely.
Not completely,
yeah,
but
Varsha
a
is
lot
very
of-
Varsha is very quiet that way. No. Okay, cool. Pretty much like Gargi. Yeah. So.
भाई आई फील विहान तो मुझसे बहुत ज्यादा ही अलग है. हाँ
He's very extrovert. He's like all out.
या तो इस
तुम देखते भी नहीं हो ना कि ऊपर
या ऑन स्क्रीन तो मैं ऐसा हूँ कि हाँ भाई क्या है क्या चाहिए. लेकिन आई फील मुझसे बहुत, आई थिंक दैट वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस. आई थिंक कि आई एम देयर ऑन बोर्ड इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज विहान इज समथिंग विच आई हैड नॉट प्लेड बिफोर, और मुझे लगा भाई बहुत मजा आएगा कुछ ऐसा प्ले करने में जो मैं नहीं और ना ही मैंने कभी पहले प्ले किया है. सो या
So Tanishka ka look, as a person, I can understand why she is the way she is. I won't say I find myself very relatable to her, but जैसे उसकी life रही है, जैसे उसका childhood रहा है, जो भी रहा है उसका तनिष्का का, you know, you understand why she's behaving like this at in a certain point in her life. So yeah, that you may not find Tanishka in your everyday life. You may not find Tanishka in your circle, but there are characters who can be like that. You know, they go through certain things, they go through certain experiences, and that makes you like that. So yeah, so she.
We all are pretty, fun together, right?
Yeah. We are very friendly. We are very friendly. कोई BTS, I don't know. I can't think of any.
अभी एक्चुअली शूटिंग करके इतना टाइम हो गया कि
Can't
अभी
think
कुछ
of
इतना
anything right
याद
now.
नहीं. बहुत 2-3 महीने हो गए.
हाँ.
So काफी, but one thing I can say कि I think none of us had that wall कि अरे मैं ये नहीं करूँगा या वो नहीं करूँगी या इससे बात नहीं करूँगा. I think the moment हम लोग जब पहले दिन ऑफिस में गए थे ना, तब यस सर थोड़े बिजी थे, तो we were supposed to
We were
wait.
waiting, yeah,
We're
we were
waiting for an
waiting
hour or
an
two.
हाँ.
तुम बहुत मस्ती करते हो.
या तो तभी हमारा आइस ब्रेक हो गया, तभी से हमने इतना जेल कर लिया.
We gelled very well.
Yeah,
हाँ,
तो
on the
shoot-
first day itself. Yes.
Yeah.
He's a bully. Yeah, he is.
मतलब मैं स्वीटली करता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं कि चल उठक बैठक कर, ऐसा नहीं. मैं बहुत
But you can do that. Like if you would come as a Gotham in the show, imagine him.
नहीं.
Rihan is very opposite.
I am a very sweet boy. Yeah, that's it.
मेरा तो पहला थॉट ये था कि I'll do this because मुझे I like doing anything that's challenging and that's out of your comfort zone and where you get to play something that is different from your own persona. So I loved it. I said yes immediately.
मेरे लिए तो स्टोरी भी नहीं, जब मैंने शो का नाम ही सुना ना तो मुझे लगा अरे ये क्या है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा आई शुड कलेक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन या पता मतलब रीड करूँ क्या है. और टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इन द फर्स्ट सेकंड एपिसोड विहान इज नॉट देयर अ लॉट, तो मुझे लगा अरे इसका ये तो है ही नहीं, बट एज आई रेड एंड द वे आई फील फॉर विहान ऑल्सो, हाउ हिज कैरेक्टर डेवलप्स विद एवरी एपिसोड इज what really, you know, pushed me to take up this role.
What was the question?
कि why did you, what, कैसा लगा स्टोरी सुन के, कैसा लगा?
स्टोरी सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड द मेकर्स आर वेरी promising, so we had to just say yes. The show name is very interesting, औकात से ज़्यादा.
गाड़ी जैसी बात करती है. Yeah.
Very moody, no?
मैंने तो यही एक चीज़ सीखी है कि इवन दो आपके सर्कमस्टांसेस डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, सबके अपने अपने फाइट्स है, कोई लोग इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, कोई लोग बात नहीं करते, बट आई फील कि व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू पोर्ट्रे मैसेजेस कि परस्यू योर ड्रीम्स, जो आप करना चाहते हैं वो करो, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे दैट इज व्हाट विल गिव यू हैप्पीनेस.
Yes. Take that risk, go on and do that thing that that has been holding you back, or jo bhi hai, or you want to take a risk in your career or in your personal life, whatever that is. So yeah, just go for it.
For me, I just felt that it's all about going beyond your limits, right? And just challenging yourself. And as a teenager, as somebody, you're in college, you go through a lot of self doubts, right? So just go beyond it and do whatever you can, and just that's it.
Just do औकात से ज़्यादा, guys. I feel तो ऑफिस में कैसे there is the meeting room, then there is a door, then there is one more door, तो हमें लगता है बहुत ही सीरियस आदमी है. Yeah. But I feel as soon as we met him, and he's one of the most sweetest producers. Even Mamta ma'am, we were sitting with her one day and we were talking to her, and she's very chill. Yeah, and they're so open. Even though we are new actors, okay, like we all have our experiences and we have been there, since so many years. But still, we are kids. So, but they were very open to our suggestions. They were like, "तुम्हें story में कैसा लगता है, क्या लगता है? You can give your inputs." And I feel they were very, very sweet, very understanding, and so yeah, I feel we are really blessed to work with them.
What was the question?
Producer.
The producers are fantastic. I've worked with them before. Raksha Bandhan, I did Raksha Bandhan, Rasal apne bhai ki dal. That was a TV show, very different thing. Or this was a college fun show, and I met Mamta ma'am for the first time, though I worked with her earlier, and I always heard that she's very serious and very strict, but she's such a lovely personality, and she was actually considering our thoughts, that what do we feel, right? So yeah, and Yash sir is of course amazing too.
So working with Beyond Dreams is like my second home. I started my career with Sadak. That was my first show, and it was produced by them. Since then, I have actually been dying to work with them again, but वो नहीं हो पा रहा था. So it feels very comfortable. You are in safe hands, and you know that you trust them and they trust you, and it's a very friendly vibe we share with the producers. It's not that, oh my God, the producer is coming, I know ऐसे क्या बोलेंगे, कैसे बोलेंगे. He's like very chill with us. He's very comfortable with us. It's fun.
Big Boss.
Definitely. I'll definitely do it.
I mean, yeah, see, it's an experience, okay? It's like a fun show where you're like, abhi saath mein rehna hi padega. Abhi kuch nahi kar sakte. I think it would be fun, yeah.
I think you want me to answer, is that Gargi or like Varsha? The character, myself.
Yourself.
Me, I will not go. I've never watched Big Boss, not even single season, so I don't enjoy it. I can't live without my phone. So definitely would not go there with living with unknown 10 people or what, 20, whatever. Not my thing.
You have to, spend the time without your phone.
Maybe if my mom says, because she's a big Big Boss fan, so only for her, but otherwise me, I would not.
I feel yeah, correct. I was about to say that.
क्योंकि हमने औकात से ज़्यादा मेहनत करी है इसमें.
And also I feel because again, it's a very entertaining and motivating show altogether. And yaar,
It will also bring back a lot of college memories, you know. You'll feel like अरे हाँ ऐसे होता था हमारे साथ, ऐसे characters होते थे मेरे college में, या ऐसे मेरे friend circle में थे. So yeah, it's for that.
I never lived college life actually, so I wanted to live it. She also, yeah.
I didn't get to live my college life.
Aww. तो जिन जिन ने अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ मिस की है वो भी ये शो देख सकते हैं.
मिस नहीं किया है उनको भी देखना चाहिए, because you'll find it very relatable and
उनको भी देखना चाहिए, जो कॉलेज कर चुके हैं उनको भी देखना चाहिए, उनके पेरेंट्स को भी देखना
मतलब सब लोग ये शो देखो, ठीक है, मस्ती नहीं. थैंक यू.
क्या I didn't. They are, yes. And they are, and you know the best part about the comment section is they still remember that my first show. They still remember Satak, and they are still like, अरे ये तो my character's name was Vidushi in Satak. So they are like, अरे Vidushi यहाँ पे भी है, this that. It feels very good when people, they still know you by your character's name and they're still wanting to watch you. So yeah.
Oh, thank. मैंने कमेंट्स तो नहीं रीड किए टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने शो देखा, मेरी फैमिली ने शो देखा, मैंने भी शो देखा, और मुझे मेरे दोस्तों ने बोला है कि इट्स अ वेरी रॉ, वेरी रियल शो. कोई फालतू ड्रामा नहीं है. वी आर ऑन पॉइंट एट देयर. सो या आई फील कि यू नो कि हम लोग सही दिशा में है. सो या
I have not read the comments, so yeah. मैंने नहीं पढ़े comments, but yeah, shows. हाँ, my mom and dad they like the show. Everybody is just giving me good reviews because first time me as an actor, I've always done whatever work I've done. I've only done a very traditional Rona Dhona TV ka, and you know all the yeah. This is very new and fresh, and I want to do something like this. So yeah. हम अपने फैंस को, हमारी ऑडियंस को बोलना चाहेंगे कि प्लीज़ 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 हमारा ये शो देखो. हमने बहुत मेहनत से काम किया है इसमें, एंड आई होप आपको पसंद आए. एंड या
yes, same ki please give. I know there is a lot of content out there, but I really request you guys to just give the show one. See, they're very small episodes, 14 minutes, 15 minutes. Give your 14 minutes once. आपने अगर एक एपिसोड देख लिया ना, I can guarantee आप सारे एपिसोड्स देखने के बाद ही रुकोगे.
Yeah, it's the same thing, yeah. Watch it, give us a chance, and I'm sure आपको अच्छा लगेगा and you'll like it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, I'm Nisha.
Hi, this is Gautam Ahuja.
Hi, this is Varsha Sharma, and you're watching us on
Viral TV.
Viral TV.
Thank you.